Hello friends, welcome to Marina's Point. Today in this video I am going to explain about DO or MGO bunker line diagram. You can easily trace diesel or bunker diagram for your ship if you see this video. MGO means marine gas oil. Tank for MGO or diesel oil is same. And the requirement of tank for DO and HO depend upon the size of ship and main engines or many factors. Here I will show two line diagram of DO, one for very old ship and one for latest ship. You can see in old ship there is two settling tank and now only one settling tank. It depends upon ship to ship, so not confused. In some ship there are two settling tank and maybe one ship. Now let us start. Here I am showing DO or MGO bunker line diagram photo. First we know what are the tanks used. One service tank, one MGO settling tank, MGO or DO, same, not confused. Tank is same, and three tank for a storage tank. This all tank is below bottom of the ship. We can also say it double bottom tank, or okay, or say double bottom a storage tank. So we have five tank. What are the tanks? We can see one once more. DO service tank, DO settling tank. Number of tank it depend upon the ship. DO storage tank port side, DO storage tank starboard, and DO storage tank starboard. This is three. These three are double bottom storage tank, or we can say double bottom bunker tank. Settling tank used for gravity separation of water, sludge, and heavy particle. And in service tank, DO or MGO transfer from settling tank through centrifuge. And from service tank, fuel is used in boiler, incinerator, or generator. There are two bunker stations on deck, port and starboard, and on each bunker station there is four manifold. What are all manifold? First for DO, second for HFO, third for MECC, fourth for AECC. Okay, these are the four tanks. Actually, Actually, I have already told you DO for boiler and generator engine used from DO service tank, and it transformed from settling to service by centrifuge. Now come to the image and let us start. These two manifold meet in the engine room, and through this line when we take bunker from any bunker manifold, either port or starboard, whatever easy for taking bunker. This will meet in the engine room and it will go to all tanks. We have all five tanks, MGO settling, MGO service, and all three double bottom tank, or we can say a storage tank. This all going. This all is filling valve. Okay, this is for bunkering. I have already told you fuel is used on incinerator, boiler, and generator through service tank, and in service tank fuel is purified by centrifuge and transferred from settling to service. I have this is centrifuge and filling line. Okay, but why there is one line given from bunker line? It is for equalizing. This line is given for equalization. Okay, and this there is also one line given to settling tank. We have three bunker storage tank, but according to need, we can transfer fuel in settling tank, and this also used for equalization. Main tank used for bunkering is double bottom tank that is given below, that is a storage tank. If we have more bunker, then we can take fuel in settling tank in that condition, or we can also tell about equalization. For equalization, this two line is given. Okay. Now this is for bunkering. Now we have DO transfer pump and HFO transfer pump. Two HFO transfer pump, one DO transfer, or we can say MGO transfer pump. The suction line of this pump connected with all these three double bottom tank and one settling tank. That means suction of DO transfer pump connected with four tank. Three a storage tank or double bottom tank and one with settling tank. This tank is used for transferring fuel from one tank to another tank, or from double bottom tank to settling tank for settle down heavy particles. Okay. And discharge line of this DO transfer connected with five tank. That means all tank, three storage tank, one settling tank and one service tank. Okay. Note point that in service tank fuel is used when it is transferred through centrifuge. If we have to use fuel from service tank, fuel must be passing through centrifuge. We only using this line for equalization. Okay. This is all about DO bunker line. Now I will show the figure of old ship in which there is two settling tank and one double bottom tank. This is line diagram which I will show. This is bunker station and two settling tank, one service tank, one double bottom tank. Okay. What will happen for taking bunker? Main bunker tank is double bottom tank, but depending on the condition, we can take also bunker in settling tank. Okay. This both settling, but we know settling tank is used for settle down heavy particle and left and fuel in settling tank left for 24 hours. Okay. Now if we take bunker in this, we take bunker in this, this and this line. Okay. And now for transferring fuel from one tank to another tank, you can see suction from this line and going to whole tank, whatever tank you need. That means suction of all these three tanks connected with this line, and discharge line connected with this all three tank, and fuel transfer to service tank through settling to service via centrifuge. And I forgot to mention one line. This is overflow pipeline. If service tank is overfilled, then it will automatically transfer to double bottom tank. There is no wall in it. It automatically, when fuel get overflow, to the double bottom tank. We can see in this figure also, this is overflow line going to double bottom tank or a storage tank. Now last I want to say, In settling tank there is 4 main pipeline. You have to know if this is settling tank. One is filling line, one is recirculation line. In purifier there is a 3 line I will mention here, and there is a 2 line going out. One go for purifier, one go for fuel oil transfer pump. Okay, and purifier, and this all 2 valve is tube closing valve which can be controlled remotely from outside the engine room. In purifier there is 3 line, one from settling tank and one going to recirculation line and one is dirty line. Okay, sorry, service tank from settling tank and one going to recirculation to settling tank. Purified service dirty oil coming from settling and going to recirculation to settling tank. Okay, here we see 2 HFO pump, 1 DO pump. If this get damaged, then this pump is used for transferring fuel to one tank to another tank. We can see one line connected here, one line connected here to suction of HFO if this pump get damaged. Same for HFO. If this pump get damaged, this pump is used for transferring. See here, this 2 line is from storage tank of HFO and one from overflow tank. Here we also see service tank supply to generator, boiler and incinerator. Thank you.